Hi guys, welcome. This is 100 Days of Coding Challenge on CodeSignal website. Today is 11th day. The problem we are going to solve for today's challenge is message from binary code. You are taking part in an escape room challenge designed specifically for programmers. In your efforts to find a clue, you found a binary code written on the wall behind the vase and realize that it must be an encrypted message. After some thoughts, your first guess is that each consecutive 8 bits of the code stand for the character with the corresponding extended ASCII code. Assuming that your hunch is correct, decode the message. Okay, for example, the given code is look like this, and the output should be hello exclamation mark. So we are going to solve this problem to encode the given coded message. The first 8 characters of the code are this one, which is 72 in the binary numerical system. 72 stands for H in the ASCII table. So the first letter is H. Other letters can be obtained in the same manner. Okay, let's try to solve this problem. First, we first divide the code into 8 characters each, because the one it represents 8 bits. So let's do this. For every I in the range of 0 up to len code, we stepwise this by 8 digits. And now we are going to slice that digit. Code slice I up to I plus 8. All right, now we have divided our long code into 8 characters each. Now we are going to iterate over each codes in codes. Okay, now let's define emitting string, and we convert each bits into integer or binary numeric number. Okay, because it is a character actually, and we convert into numeric number. To this num int bits be into 2 digits, right? That is the binary is representing 2. Now we just append concatenate to the variable res by converting the number into character. And okay, this is our solution, and finally we return res. Let's click on run test, and let's check our solution is correct or not. Finally click on submit button. All right, this is the correct solution. So this is my solution. You can find out your own solution also. You can learn something new from this, and you can contribute. You can find a lot of problem challenges on this website. Thanks for watching.